Hello everyone, Seb here today, and we're going to be now unboxing this little model of an Airbus A350-900 that I got a bit ago, but I've been saving actually opening it for a time that I could film it. So let's go ahead and see what's in it. So it's 1/200 scale. Official licensed product of Airbus. That's what it looks like on the back here. Yeah, so let's go ahead and open it up. I think this is how we're supposed to open it here. The back. And, okay. Here it is. And we're going to have to build it a little bit. But that shouldn't be too hard. Let's just get rid of the box for a sec. And yeah, let's put it together. So, you have the fuselage here. Let's get the wings here nice and ready. I think you're supposed to just snap them on. That's how it works, I think. I hope. Let's see. Yeah, I guess that works. Okay, now let's snap on the other wing here. There we go. And now the tail horizontal stabilizers are going on now. Let's put them on. That's pretty finicky, actually, for some reason. Okay, well, I guess that worked. Yeah, that looks right, I think. Anyway, let's put in the other one now. Is it in? It's almost all the way in. And there we go. It's in. Our model is nice and done being built. And we have a little stand here that I'm going to try and figure out how to use. Oh, what's this? Oh, piece of cardboard. And I think these you're supposed to put in the little legs of it here. So let's go ahead and open this up. And there we go. Now we're going to put them in here, I believe. They screw on. Oh, that was loud. So it screws on like that. So that was pretty easy. Now let's just chuck this stuff somewhere. Okay, that should do it. Now, how are you supposed to do this? I think this thing on the bottom of the plane here unscrews like that. Oh no, that's screwed in. There we go. And the little slot there goes into that. And now we screw it back on, I believe. Okay, so let's get rid of that. But yeah, this is the finished product. The Airbus A350-900 XWB model. And in terms of how easy it was to build, I'd say it's like a 1 out of 10, 1 being really easy. And it's pretty good quality as well. Yeah, so if you would like to get one of these, I recommend doing so because it looks pretty cool and it's a very good aircraft. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying anymore, but yeah. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.